Okay, so there you go. That's a show for you guys to look at. Well, the food booth, and this is not it. This is going to steal something there. So it's again, once again, a monthly devlog. Okay. So yeah, this month it's 1 month already has passed. Wow, I think like it's around. Yeah, I think it's around like April or something last year. It's the time where I started to do this kind of, this kind of devlog and whatnot. Let me just simply log in first, and let's just minimize screen. And yeah, so in the next month, I'm also not quite sure. Originally, it's like planned to have like my uni start in like next month, but I think it got delayed, and yeah, the wallpaper just changed automatically. Full boot. This is my system. I think it has already finished all the setups, if I'm not wrong. It's very good. All of them are Hololive, but let me just change the playlist quickly. To bring the only just the one that's like where did I put it? Okay, I have no idea where did I put it. It's a bit bad. I think I need to like merge it or make it neat or whatever someday. I should. You know what? I should just remove the whole thing and then just add open file. And you may hear my mom in the background, but just ignore her. It's a bit loud, but whatever. Is the audio even working? This is a bit funny. Oh, it's why is it playing? Okay, it's detecting. Okay. So, ouch. Okay. Yeah. So once again, it's one month. I guess 1 month has passed, and as you can see, all of this is properly built. All of this automation, everything. It may look cool. It may not look cool. It may seem very lame or whatnot. But yeah, that's like, I think the first week is the improvement in this like full boot system, because originally at the last month, the 4th week there, I also started to do this, but at that time there's still many parts that are very broken or just downright not secure and just very not customizable, including the change wallpaper thing. It's not implemented, up until like, I don't know, this month, I don't know, 2nd week or 3rd week, like that. But anyway, let's go by topic. So the first week is kind of a bit meh. It's kind of me me gets a bit, overwork and then just burn out a little bit, tired, and then rethinking about my project, the ES system project. How is the direction, do those financial analysis. All of those can be found in the ES system channel page or whatever, which I think I will just link the official video presentation that I created yesterday, and if you wanted to look at it, you could look at it. But yeah, let's go by topic. There's some topic that I think I need to talk about, especially from like, I don't know, the news and everything, the info that I got while I'm like working on those other, my main project, and I got this like new info, new laws, the merging of companies, Microsoft, whatever. There's a lot of things that I need to talk about. But let's go by topic. Okay, let's not like make it all drift away or something. I think I did like write something out or something. I think I did write it down somewhere here or there. I'm not quite sure. I think I did write down like a document for me to refer. I should find that beforehand, but I thought like I could take it slow, you know. Like there's no rush for me. Currently like there's no rush or anything. But of course I also do not want to like totally waste your time or whatever. So let me just quickly find it. I think if I could find it, but if I could not, okay, I could just go off my brain, okay. And let me just bring out my change command box. Okay, let's just start the plugin system, and let's just call plugin clear text plug. So this is going to be a very good reference, okay, for our future whatever. So let's set the width, okay. I don't know, add, do I add or something? Add width, is it 100? No, okay. I think it's like set width. No, what's the command? I have no idea. I have no idea. Set width, is it? Okay, I have no idea, but I guess I could just let me go quickly. Where is my documentation? I have no idea. It is just again one of these kind of time. I'm going to bring up some code very quickly. Let's just look at it. Let's look at the command, okay. Show unfit, add weight, okay, add width, okay. I have no idea. Yeah, I should maybe implement something that could let me. But whatever, I don't really use this normally because this is only useful in like, you know, presentation or whatever, you know. But yeah, let's do it properly, okay. So and then let's just set the set size, okay. To 20, okay. So what I remember, I remember some of the topics, but someone's sister, okay, need OS, okay, or computer setup, okay, setup. And I also remember there's like password manager from someone. I'm not going to mention it. What about again? Not taking calendar, is it? Calendar. As you can see, you could use Borg. If you wanted to like do, I don't know, like in a to-do list, and in desktop you could just like type something like here, I don't know, like wait, what did I type? Oh god. Okay, sorry. Okay, so you could type something, I don't know, like a very long thing, and then you could like just press this and then set that, and then boom, add, okay, and then you find this, you come here, oh wow, okay, there's a that, oh wow, there's this thing, oh wow, I never knew it exists. But of course this is all in English. I don't know, it's not like cross language, so that's a bit sad. But I mean, most of the thing is quite obvious, like month, view, to-do list, address book. All of these are very simple English, honestly. But yeah, if you need free software for calendar and it's on your desktop, you could use Borg. That's my suggestion. It's quite good. You could even import and export thing, you know. So there's like a backup or something. If you know how to configure backup again, for normal people, you normally won't know how to configure backup. And in fact, I also want to invent like a proper backup system for myself. But yeah, I'm going to do it probably. I don't know when, maybe next month or whatever. I see, look, okay. And for password manager, well, KeePass XC, okay. This is the best in terms of security and privacy and whatever, okay. It's the most there's even a specific file format they like the developer created for it. Like it's very good. If you need like the sources to like back behind it, I'm going to just say that it's backed by unknown from internet or from some other platform, okay. I don't, it's not Chan, it's not from Chan, but it's from some other platform, okay. very weird or oddly just normally out of normal people's, you know, reach or whatever. So yeah, use this. Okay, it's cross-platform. It's in Mac, it's in Linux, it's in Windows. You can use it everywhere. It's very simple, and in fact I could boot it and show it to you. Where is my terminal? I think it's there. Okay, so if okay, and then I'm going to just key pass. Where is my key pass? Did I even put my key pass in? Wait, did I not put my key pass app image? Okay, let's see. I think I did put my key pass in. Maybe not, maybe yes. I have no idea. There you go. See this key pass XE? Okay, very good, very good. Okay. So, of course, if you're a normal user, you don't need to type this command. You can just run the app, you know, just like in Windows or anything. But there you go. As you can see, it's just run it. Okay, there's GUI, not like my ugly terminal or whatever. Okay, there's very nice design, clean, white, you know, nice materialistic design that everyone wants. Okay, so first thing, do you need to check for update? I don't like to update because my internet sucks and whatever. Okay, that's on my case. Okay, again, if you have good internet and you love like automated updating, it's very secure. Okay, don't worry. The upgrade normally is signed and everything. They are professionals working on this app. Okay, they are not cost money. They don't cost money, but the developer in there is very good, and it's not me. Okay, it's by some professional, you know, those that works on those industry that works on, you know, cyber security. They know their stuff. Okay, so first thing first, you could just create a database password. Sure, I lazy to, I don't want to give a description. I don't know what is it. Sure, okay. Decryption time, you want it to be, yeah, I see, very simple. Okay, higher value, more protection. That means longer, more protection. So of course I am too lazy, and just as an example, I don't care. Okay, and database format, use the 4, don't use the 3. Okay, because 3 is order. Why you want to use 3? Makes sense, right? Okay, next. Advanced setting, only if you know what the heck is that. Okay, or else don't edit it. Okay, and most of them have their own choices and whatever, but it doesn't matter. Okay, for normal people, if you really want to improve it or whatever, okay, then you could just increase this transform round. Okay, it would just make it better. Okay? But anyway, let's just continue. And I think, yeah, so the first thing again, just like any password manager or anything, the password manager itself needs a password, right? Because or else everyone can just access your password manager or database, right? Like imagine you have a text file. Okay, so imagine you have a text file, and here is your password. Okay, and here is your password too. Okay, so if this blue file, okay, this cute text, okay, that I have is not protected, everyone can see your password, like, hi, I am password. Okay, next time you transfer to someone this whole text you transfer, then they could see it. Okay, it's in like, hi, I am password, you know, clear text. So of course you need to give a password, and you could make it like very generic or something, but make it longer. Okay, maybe say, you know, I love Holo, maybe not. Okay, whatever. Okay, I don't know. Okay, you know what, I'm going to do this. I am a boy. Okay, a male. Okay, 99. Okay, Holo life. Okay, sure, at least make it long, I guess. Okay, if your limit is like, you know, your memory limit is like it's like, I don't know, like 1 2 3 4, like this. Okay, this is your password. No, man. Okay, then there's no point. Okay, sadly, but that is the thing. Okay, you, in the real world, you should make it like very random and very long, but of course no one is going to remember that, including me. Okay? So you could just like, I am boy. Okay, love Holo life, and then 99, and then just put like one lions there. Okay, and then here, I guess. Okay, and then for the next one, I think you should also write down in some place physically in, don't stick it on like your screen or something. That's the worst idea, of course. But yeah, I think like, yeah, say I am boy love hololive 99 alliance. Say hey, I will try my best to remember this. Okay, so again, as you can see, it's going to tell you where you want to save. Okay, it's very simple, so you just save it at somewhere you like. Okay, but I don't care right now, so I'm going to just save in my base there. Okay, and then there you go. Once you save it, it's going to have this very clean layout. Okay, and you're curious. Okay, so now I go to, say, I don't know, Google. Okay, so say you go to Google. Okay, so you may be curious. Okay, so I go to Google and I need to like put some password or email, right? So how do I do that? Just click this. Okay, and then you type like, I don't know, title Google account 1. Okay, and then you just type like, I don't know, boy fake user 1. Okay, and then your password, ha 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 ha. Okay, there you go. Okay. And there you go, that's it. Okay, you could just copy this. Okay, when you need it. Okay, it's very simple. You just go to here, start, come to here, copy. Okay, paste wherever you want, come to here, copy, paste. Okay, there you go, that's it. It's that simple. And you want to delete it, here, see X cute icon, delete entry, move. Okay, and if you go to this bin, okay, and then you can just empty the bin. Okay, forever gone. Okay, and then the database itself, you can also close this. Okay, and then everything just close, and you also close this. Okay, then that's it. Okay, password manager, that's my suggestion. Okay, there's like many apps, you know, like online phone, other apps. Personally, I don't suggest anyone use like phone password manager or other apps, you know, because honestly, like the phones, for the security research in the phone, it's just honestly very flawed. Okay, it's just very flawed. Okay, because the operating system itself, say Android, is owned by Google. Okay, so in short, okay, anything that Google likes or don't like, they have pretty much all control over it. Okay, there are some parts that they let you to see and open source, but there's like limitations on what you can do and what you cannot do. Okay, and even then they could just downright like block your restriction. Okay, block this, block that. Okay, make you not flash this, make you not install this, make you not do this. Okay, right, as you can see, you know, there's like the root. Okay, there's like the crack font, you know, there's like so many things, you know, this exists for a reason, you know. Meanwhile, you don't see like crack Linux. Okay, there's no point in cracking Linux and, I don't know, make a fork of it, you know, unofficial one. Okay, because any fork is allowed, and any one of them is legally okay and acceptable. Okay, so yeah, let me just, okay, make it this. Okay, I think this is a bit dumb. I should have like just make it, okay, bigger. Okay, so password manager, if you're on desktop, okay, use KeePass. Okay, KeePass. Okay, XC. Okay, specifically for XC. Okay, the others are all obsolete. Okay, outdated. Okay, some of them are abandoned. Okay, downright. Okay, and there's like this, I don't know, you can see like the last date of updated or usage or downloads. Okay, I don't know, some people still went to download it because they don't know it. And I saw like there's like some comment, you know, in the post, you know, the some suggest like 1Password, Bitwarden, whatever. Okay, they are good, but there's a balance. You need to find there's a balance between security and convenience, you know, or like, you know, portability, you know, the smoothness. Okay, but if you are like streamer, you know, sitting on your desktop, you know, most of the time, and your password, you only log into, say, your Google account and some of your banking account when you are in desktop, you know, and in Linux or some very trusted, you know, trusted computer or device, you know, then you could just use KeePass XC, you know, because it's a stable thing, you know, it just stays there, you know, it's just a stable app. You are not going everywhere, you are not going to use it on your phone or anything. Use it, okay? I personally don't use it for now, but I may use it in the future. Why I don't use it? Because the reason is, again, I already have like for my system, the whole system, this whole full boot system. Before this, I have another like encryption, you know, that's like under it. So, and my operating system itself is already encrypted, you know, full disk encryption. So yeah, there's so many passwords, and I'm just too lazy to juggle it around, you know. So I just assume that once I am in this computer, I am practically trusted, okay, unless like I open my home system and I just make it full screen and I just like, you know, disable everything, you know. But like this, okay, so it's full screen, so you cannot do anything, okay, but yeah, that's what I assume, okay. So for KeePass, that is okay. No endorsement. I don't gain any marketing, any ads, okay. But that is from my experience and from what I heard and from some of my testing. I found it okay. And there's even the specification. There's like good codes. There's like, you know, the documents. You know, there's like the paper. You know, very good, okay. It should be quite good, okay. And so the second thing is calendar. Personally, calendar, the first thing that you should never use is Google or whatever those, you know, those like shady app stores calendar. That's my advice, okay. But if you're curious, some of the apps in like those app stores are okay, you know. So how do you know that they are okay? So when you like say open an app or something, okay, any app, okay, practically any app, there's always license, okay. So, or help or whatever. So the first thing you need to know, if you are normal people, you don't need to know much, okay. You just need to know a few keywords, okay. GNU GPL license, okay. Public domain, a page license, okay. These few license, if you saw this an MIT license, it means that it's open source. And for open source, it doesn't mean that it is very secured, but it means that if you had that thing and you find another programmer, they can help you change it. There's the potential, okay. There's the potential, okay. Or if yourself is a programmer, you could change it, okay. That's the thing that you need to know. So it's a bit like, you know, so your phone break, okay, the right of repair thing, okay. So your phone broken, okay, you smash it, you know, you crack it or something, you know, but you love this phone, right? You love this app, okay. But if it's like only by Microsoft or by Intel, then you cannot fix it, right? Because it's by them, okay, by that company. You cannot just fix it, crack it, you know, do fancy thing, you know. But if it's like under this open source license, MIT, okay, Apache, GNU, okay, you can find a developer, honestly, even me or whoever you trust, you know, that's like a good programmer, good developer. They won't try to, you trust them that they won't like steal your info lah. You need to at least trust them lah. I don't know, it's kind of hard, but if you trust them, you know, maybe like your very old childhood friend, and they honestly don't care about your money or whatever, or your calendar, you know, they themselves also want to use it. Yeah, it's very good, okay. You need to find an app that has this kind of license, GNU, MIT, whatever, okay. You can use that app, okay. Feel free to use it, because the reason is very simple, okay. If you use those apps and if you have something that doesn't work, okay, let me just like, where's my book? Why did I close it? Okay, whatever. But if you use those apps, there's normally a source or whatever, okay. So for example, let me just like try bring up a source for you, okay? So for just a very quick rundown, if you are like a programmer or whatever, then you could just skip this, I guess, like skip like 1 minute, just skip 1 minute, okay, just skip 1 minute, directly skip 1 minute. But so okay, so here's an example, okay. Say I'm a programmer, okay, and you are the user, okay, and there's this app, okay, this app, okay, very confusing, okay. Nobody understand this, like a command, blah 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 blah, blah rubbish, okay. You are a normal person, you are busy, you are a scientist, you are a streamer, you don't care, okay, you don't care about this read set whatever, okay. You don't understand it. But never mind. The thing is, there are someone that are good at this, programmer, that are me and us, or other, okay. So you could find them. They could help you fix it, okay, make it beautiful, change color, load color, make it beautiful, change it, okay. And after that, they can give you that app. Maybe if you like it and you love their work, okay, you maybe they put like, I don't know, many time, many months, many hours, no sleep, coffee, whatever, and then you pity them, feel sad for them. They're kind of sad, okay. So you can pay them, okay, and that's it. They just accept your payment or they don't, okay. And you could just use your app and it's customized for you, right? So calendar, okay, that's the thing, okay. And the reason why I suggest Borg is also that reason, because I am a programmer and it's open source, it's free, it's in GitHub, okay. You could find it, you type BORG and then calendar, it should come out. It's under the code base of Java, so you find the Java keyword, you could click on it. So yeah, for calendar, if you are mobile, you could go to App Play Store. There you download a few apps, okay. Check the help, check the about, check the license, okay. Find if there are keywords or source code, that you can use, okay. If you hate it or you don't get it or whatever you want, if you are, especially if you are rich, okay, and you have like just, I don't know, $20, $20, 20 USD, 40 USD, maybe 1,000 yen, 2,000 yen, you could hire like a designer, do a very quick design for you, for those app, find a developer if you know one, and you trust them. So there's that thing, for the flexibility and whatnot. For the normal people, okay, it is a very good advice. I don't know how much of you know this, but it's a thing, for software, it's actually very cool, if you know how to just pay a few developers, just like music, some music you don't need to find Sony to record it, you could record it yourself or in some smaller studio, it's the same thing, it's the same thing, it's still an app, music is still music. Maybe there's some quality difference, but you would pay what you get normally. That's the gist of it lah. And okay, so there's that calendar, okay. You could either, if you're in desktop, okay, you could go with like Borg, okay. For phone, I have no idea. For phone, I know that Google Calendar uses like the top-down view, the timeline. That's a bit scientific, okay. Not everyone understands it or likes it. And when you set it up, it asks you so many questions, period, what's the time, what's your free time, how frequent, like that. Very many questions, and there's like this changing animation and whatnot. But again, if you can find a free, I think there should be some in Android, okay. If you could find it, it's going to be very good. And if you are a normal user, yeah, I forget to mention this. Most normal user, okay, you're using Android phone, F-Droid. Come on, free apps, free, it's free. You don't need to pay a single fee. If you think it's not good, donate it, find the developer, they are going to work on it. I believe most of them will work on it if you pay them well. They will definitely improve it, and you could even specify, I want this, I want that. It's so much more better, honestly. Okay, let's go F-Droid, okay, calendar. If you are in Android, okay, I'm not sure about iOS. If you are in iOS, that's set for you, but it's expected. You are using Apple product, all of them are under Apple. Okay, Apple is a very heavy brand company, heavy brand. Okay, you know, just like your phone itself. I believe if you are using iPhone, you should know that you are paying more than other phones, right? So the brand is very heavy and the apps is very heavy. You know, it's all created by official. There's this concept of like official and non-official. That's like a very huge gap in Apple. It's good, you know, for like, you know, just like real life, you know. You don't want your government to be like very silly, you know, very like, hey bro, this is your tax, you know. You cringe a bit, okay? That's a bit cringe, okay? A bit unprofessional, you know, but there's a difference between, you know, like the pay, you know, and everything. So of course, if you're using iOS, or that's a bit bad luck for you. You gotta find your own solution. Roll your luck on like iOS App Store. Okay, sadly I have no idea, and I don't think it's going to have any idea, like any cheap solution or any good friendly community based, you know, open based, you know. There's no way. Okay, you gotta deal with it. Okay, but I think if you're using iOS, you should be fine with it lah, you know. Minimalistic, cool, business like. Okay, so see there's like so many. Okay, so of course I don't think you are French or anything. I see French. Okay, you could ignore that. Offline calendar, this should be very simple. Okay, but I think most people hate this. Okay, and you can see it's very new, 2020, like last year. Okay, and what, I think there's like even a source code, you know, so we could even look at the source code if we really want. But I think like there's like this calendar. Oh no. Okay, yeah, so you see, for this kind of thing, the creator just give up. Okay, development stop. Okay, integrated into eTar calendar. So they are going to link you to eTar. What is this eTar? And they release it under Google Play Store. Okay, and it's still also in F-Droid. Look at this. Do you like this? If you like this, download this. So see, very good. Okay, open source. And if you really want to pay them or something, I'm not quite sure if it's like possible to pay them or something, but I think there should be some way, I guess. If they don't, that's their problem. Or maybe you need to contact them. But of course I know that if like Japanese, okay, French, you know, Chinese, China, Taiwan, it's going to be bad for you, you know. I mean, it says that multilingual UI, but yeah, there's from what I see, there's no way to contact this developer. So it's a bit sad. It's a bit sad. But as you can see here, free, open source, no ads. Okay, support sharing calendar via ICS. It's that standard which is also in the blog there. Okay, and you can even import export from SD card. Wow, what the heck is that? And you can even sync with other calendar. Wow, mind blown. Look at this is good calendar for mobile, but I don't use it. Okay, I would just prefer my desktop one. But so there you go. That's the calendar. That's the calendar thing. Okay? And I think one minute should pass. Okay, already passed. So that's it. So I think I remember there's like OS. Okay, installed. There's like someone's Hololive members, family members. Okay. They one of the family members is like very minimalistic, you know, just like me, you know. Maybe they love like very clean, you know, very clean, just few things. I don't know, maybe like just a wallpaper, 1 2 3 4 5 6, maybe this app. Okay, maybe not even this terminal. Okay, let's close all of this terminal. See, very clean. Maybe something like this. Okay, so if you ever see like somebody that's like, you know, they're still using Windows, but they're like, I want minimalistic thing, you know, I want minimal, you know, like they just want like the clean UI, everything. There's only 2 ways. Okay? No, 3 ways. Okay? First, you could just buy Windows or Mac OS. Okay, If you are in Mac and then you hate Mac, you go Windows. If you are in Windows, you hate Windows, you go Mac. Okay, that's it. Second, improve your operating system. Okay, itself. There's way, free way. Okay, free. Okay, developer teach you. Okay, free. Okay, it's free. Okay, somebody already do this. Okay, don't worry, free. Okay, GitHub again. Code bug, I suppose, also have it. It's honestly, we should move to code bug also, but most of the people don't update that fast, and the code base is very hard to move, and code bug just doesn't really scale that much. But let's treat it as another topic. But for GitHub, right, you could just type awesome. If you are in Windows, type Windows, WIN Windows. Okay, so there's like an awesome tool to exploit Windows. You don't want to exploit your Windows, you say exploit word, exploit keyword, no matter what language you are using. No, if you are Japanese, you are Chinese, you see exploit, okay, run away. Okay, don't click that. Okay, it's for security researcher, they want to hack thing. Okay, and exploit, skip. Okay, exploit, skip. Okay, security, don't care. Okay, red team. Okay, ignore. Okay, security. Okay, ignore. Okay, Windows form. Okay, with less to do awesome thing. Okay, this is command line. Okay, this is command line. Okay, so you see this command line, there's like wallpaper, hibernation, Wi-Fi, firewall, time zone, or login, default printer. Okay, not that cool. Maybe let's find next one. Okay, you know what, let's find more star. Domain hardening, kernel security, exploit Windows. Why everyone love to exploit Windows? My god, Windows, what are you doing? Aduh, Windows, so many exploit. Okay, so many security bugs. Freaking Windows. But whatever. Okay, you can debloat your Windows if you understand what the heck is going on. Okay, so for this, it's going to remove Candy Crush, you know, those stock apps, Cyberlink, Media Suite, Duolingo. Or I'm okay, for Duolingo, I think some of the streamer in like Hololive member use it, so that's a bit bad. Okay, Facebook, Farmville, to whatever this game and whatever, okay, it's going to remove all of them. But of course, if you need Duolingo, you can reinstall it. You know, they are not like preventing you to it's uninstalling it. You could reinstall it if you want to debloat it. Okay, this is a very simple thing. Okay. And okay, again, another keyword, privacy sexy. Okay, for Windows. Okay, don't worry. Okay, it's very good. Okay, don't worry. Okay, I tested it also. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, if anything have problem, I'm going to use like myself as a warranty. Okay, I use this myself. Okay, I'm not the creator. Okay, but I used it before and I find that it's okay. Okay, so you could set a standard. Okay, strict, formal, standard, strict. Okay, it will just clean a bunch of crap. Okay, that you don't need, make it good for security and privacy. Okay, so that's that. Okay, and for the app, and for the app, I think one of the key thing that you also need to know is there are many apps, you know. So for example, I think like most of you say you want to download like something, maybe like a app. Maybe say you want to download like I don't know, some free apps. What are those free apps? Maybe like Audacity. Right. Okay. This is a key thing. Okay, Audacity. Okay, don't ever go to this CNET. Don't ever go to this up to down crap. Okay, don't ever go to this other whatever link. Okay, only this. Okay, Force Hub is okay. Force Hub is in fact, I would promote it. Okay, it's good. Okay, and the second thing you need to know is find their official links. Okay, audacityteam.org. Go to their website. Don't use other unofficial website. Why? Okay, why you use unofficial one when there's like official web page, you know, looks cool, shows you everything, okay? It's the official, okay? Official, that means it's created by developer, okay? It's like people like, imagine me, okay? I created this for all of you, okay, officially. But there's like this cheapskate. For go, they will at least suggest you the official page and then normally make it the first one, okay? If try to configure the settings, you know, make it like, you know, change the preference, you know, search, okay? Use DuckDuckGo if possible. Maybe install another small Mozilla Firefox that are specifically for you to download Windows app, okay? Very useful note, okay? For those normal people, that just this alone can make sure that you won't get virus 99% of the time, because you don't download your app from other weird place, okay? Like some other scrappy very questionable XYZ website, okay? Just don't go there, okay? There's like normally this kind of popular app, there are like official release, okay? Official website, everything, okay? Very good, use them, okay? The official created it, there's a reason. Okay, so that's for Windows. For Mac, everything is trusted directly from Apple and everything. If one day, I mean like, yeah, there's like, you know, there's like hacking and everything, you know, if you assume like Apple get hacked, or like some of the security breaches, you know, somebody successfully get the security key in Apple, you know, sign their own app. Yeah, in fact, like 1 month ago or 1 or 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks, I think someone did that, and the app just got removed like 3 days or like 2 days, you know, within the time, you know, that Apple detected it, and the news make it big, you know. Somebody just, you know, secretly sign their illegal app, you know, and then upload it to Apple, and then Apple somehow publish it into the public. but don't worry, okay? If you're using Mac, okay, the security is already there, okay? Apple, you pay it so much, okay? They should guarantee this, okay? If like there's other problem, you don't like it, whatever, switch, okay? You don't have much choice, okay? You either go Windows or you go to Linux, okay, which is this, I'm using it, okay? You could look up at those forums, okay? You could look at Ubuntu, you could look at Fedora. This is Fedora. You can customize the wallpaper. It's very clean, okay? You could just press the Windows icon or the special key. You could search like some app, blah, 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 okay? Search, it will help you search whatever it is, okay? Like you could search a hashtag, okay? Very good, okay? That's the app that I install, okay? And yeah, everything. So yeah, that's that for Linux, okay? So okay, so here's the part over for like the advice, you know, general advice for other newbies or like another common people that you know of or anything. You could refer them to this video and show them until here. Because why I wanted to do this, you know, because the first thing is I don't really know when next month or next month am I going to be that free to, you know, slow down my pace, take 1 hour or 2 hours, you know, to talk all of this out and show you guys, show some of you. I hope this can be useful for some of you, you know, especially not you know, this modern age. There's like Google tracking, AI, you know, whatever, big data, you know, there's like so many tracking, so many things, so many bloats, so many malware, so many virus. No, some of them are bad, okay? I mean, there's always this kind, you know, people, you know, developer, you know, just like human, you know, you can use knife for good, you can use knife to stab people, you know. I'm kind of the kind one, you know. I use knife to protect the one I love. But you know, there's always this kind of people that are like kind of weird. I don't know what's their reasoning, but the origin goes back to, you know, from many things, like, you know, go back to from simply play, you know, showcase whatever, you know, as a job, you know, to like full blown, you know, want to hack whole thing, you know, destroy other computer, make them no password, suffer, you know, cry. I wouldn't do that, okay? But anyway, none of us, like, here's the guide, okay, everything. So, and of course, for those that just wants a cleaner web, please try to search YouTube or whatever, find out like Gemini this protocol and this crystal browser. If you really want, just like go to like very text-based thing, you know. You should learn a little bit of terminal thing, you know, instead of apps, you know, like this kind of very fancy OBS apps or this kind of things, you know. This is like very cool, but as you can see, like just now, okay, if I just type SZF, you know, I could do the same thing. I could scroll my files, you know, look up anything, app image, you know. So for example, maybe I need to fire up KDNE live, okay, I could just do this, and I could just, you know, and then just do like this, you know. Just learn one or two things and then you should be good to go, you know. You don't need to learn much. You just need to learn like one or two command, you know. Even in Windows is the same, you know. I could do the same thing and edit video, whatever, you know. But that's the thing for if you want to go minimalistic. For normal people, this is a very quick guide, you know, because it's a very simple concept, you know. You cannot expect yourself to be minimalistic and not minimalistic while keeping very fancy things, you know, very fancy apps. It just doesn't work, you know. The concept is just wrong, you know. The concept, say you want a very simple cube but you don't want to have color, how will it be beautiful? It will just be a white cube, right? Or a black cube. That's it, nothing more, nothing less. There's no image, there's no link, there's no hololive, there's no color, there's no music, nothing. Very lame. But that's what you need to deal with if you want to go minimalistic. Yeah. So that's that. Okay? So let's go back to my topic. So about my life. First week, kinda lame. Just me getting a bit depressed. No, not really very depressed. Don't worry, I don't have depression, sickness or anything. It's just a bit sometimes, you know, like, okay, this is a bit tiring, okay, wow, I work for this, okay, and then you think like, is my progress good or not, you know, this kind of just, you know, just, I would say in Chinese, 思考人生, or just like thinking about life, you know, thinking what's the reason of life, you know, or jeans, you know, yimi, like that, you know, this kind of stupid thing, you know, but of course I don't think about that life, you know. I think about like, how is my progress, how is my money, how am I going to work, continue, you know, how is my university, everything, okay. That's my first week, okay. My second week is very simple, okay. My second week is very simple. I think if you watch my video about that, you know, music or whatever, then you know that I say that there's like this scraper. Okay, there's like this scraper that scraps for whole life cute videos and snapshots or whatever, and yeah, this is it. So as you can see here, there's like some of this most recent one. Okay, so I think what's this path? Okay, so death. Okay, yeah, so let's just like do this. Let's just play one of these. Oh yeah, I think this is the older video by Miko. But let's play this. Okay, let's play this. Wink. So yeah, for the second week, I created this system, which gave me this software to, you know, just download this, you know. If you just, oh, it's going to loop, is it? Oh, okay. Wait, it's looping. Oh, okay. A bit funny, but yeah, I created this to make it download, okay? Download the thing. Of course, yeah, you may be curious. Wow, this is Windows, but it still works, because I did not, you know, I did not attempt to download. If I attempt to download, it will just crash, okay? So if I really wanted to download, I should go like, you know, Loa, and then I could just like do this. I remember like YouTube, you know, user exp.loa, but of course I'm not going to execute this. If I execute this, it will just be the same, you know, same flow and lock, you know, the terminal thing that's like the same as in the Inochi music video question mark. okay, that video, okay, you could see this is the same thing. Okay, you just like go through, you know, YouTube, the download checklist, file, check date, check size, download it with network KB, how much, you know, the same thing. Okay, but that's it. That's my second week. I work for this, and of course I also continue to work on like this home system, system, this very slick UI that you see, you know, that's like originally very bulky, metallic, you know, fat one. It's gone. It's now in like a very cute, just very minimal, you know, just only text, you know, and it's actually customizable, you know. All of this I could like just change all of it and just make it work very quickly, but yeah, I don't care right now. But yeah, that's it. I mean, that's the gist of it for my second week. For the third week, I continue to work on again the whole this my EA system and everything. So, and then the fourth week is also the same, but the thing that only changed here and there is maybe, you know, maybe I don't know what did I do. I also forget. What's the thing that I did to like, you know, is very significant. Let me check my phone. I think I have like something. I think like in the third week I uploaded the you know, chilled music video. I think that's it. I don't think there's many things. Artics, okay, I tested my like laptop and everything, you know. Animate terminal, yeah, I look at that. ASIC emoji, no rejects, you know. So yeah, the day just went very quickly, you know, just by working on this app, just like last year, you know, when I started it originally, you know, just working on this app itself costs many time and uses many time. And of course I also did kind of work on other small projects, I guess you could say. That's like very small, kind of useless, I guess, not really useful. For the main one that I work on, I would say is like for the this, you know, the FFFG wrapper. Okay, this thing I improve it a bit, you know, and I make sure it works in like the Windows, you know. So that's the, I think like at the third week I released the RTA, you know, times 10 version of like the February non-stop stream. That's that. And after that, I don't think there's much that I do, you know, after this and that, you know. Not much that I do, you know, other than just simplifying it as like, you know, all under the EA system, you know. Of course, I could go down to the details, you know. Maybe I research like signature, mini sig, you know, and then make sure that it packages, you know, this, that, you know. But I don't think like there's much, you know, to like very, you know, showcase, very good for showcasing, you know, showcasing to normal people, you know. I don't think there's. I think I could try and fire up. I think I'm not quite sure. Did I make it like? I think one of my app I just reworked it for the Sphinx, I guess. That's the most that I could show, you know. Sphinx. Where is it? Oh my god, the Sphinx. That last year one, or like this year January or something, that I used to detect the audio. That very crappy and broken. Sphinx command test 5 with GUI. Does it? Oh yeah. I think it should work. Yeah, this one. But this have GUI so fast. Run. I think it should work. It should work. It should work quite well, I guess. It's not even compiling, seriously. Did I take away the binary? Okay, sure. It's my fault. Because of my minimalistic pattern. Okay, let it transfer this, run. Okay, it transferred it. Now it should run perfectly. So now, yeah, my speech, yeah, I reworked this a bit and make sure it works. My speech, but I didn't improve it. Yeah, I didn't improve the speed or anything or whatever. What's this? What's nice? I didn't say nice, do I? Oh man, and then the fan is spinning so hard, you know. What's this? This is so broken. What is Honda? No, I didn't say Honda in any face. I did not say Honda in this whole video. What is it detecting? So so yeah, it's not the best. It's kind of lame. This this whole month has been kinda a bit lame, I guess. But I mean, in a way, it's not lame, I guess. If like for like the start of the video, you could see that all of them is automated. Even this wallpaper is changed automatically. I think if I really wanted to, I could show you that I could now disable this with just a few commands. But should I not? Where is this path? PWD. Is it in IO? Okay, sure. Since I don't really care, I don't really think there's anything stopping me. Yeah, I could do this CD. No, not DC. Okay, I don't want to disconnect. Oh, not unknowns, man. What am I thinking? So let's just remove all trace. And of course, I'm going to type my password, and then yes, and then it's going to uninstall. I think it's going to screw up the audio, the song. It uninstals it, but it's still playing the song. So there you go. It's all automated. I don't know. For this, I guess it is kind of cool and awesome. I guess maybe your girlfriend just walks in and be like, "Oh yeah, what are you watching? Oh, you're watching nothing." I guess, you know, within like few seconds. I guess, say if I know that I put like some weird wallpaper, maybe JK. I don't know. Honestly, if I were to have like a girlfriend or something, just set her as the wallpaper, right? You know, get what I mean. But yeah, it is kinda what it's not even accurate. But yeah, I think that's the gist of this month. I guess there's nothing physical that I could show off. I originally wanted to harden my armor and everything, but the glue once again sticks to itself. This is so dumb. Oh my god, seriously. We need to like somehow invent like a method to, you know, make the container just not sticks to itself like those super glue, you know, not sticks to itself or whatever. This is so stupid. I don't know why, man. Seriously, this is so stupid. Only the epoxy one sticks to itself because it's two mixed one, you know. But yeah, so there's no physical thing that I could show. The only thing that I have invested some time in, probably if you notice it, is like my audio setup, my speaker, my headphones. My headphones finally gets fixed, you know, the shipping, everything that I don't know cost like 100 some unit. Okay, so yeah, finally it arrives and I fix my headphone and I calibrate it and I finally can enjoy some music. Very good. Finally enjoyed some awesome, you know, calibrated music, you know, revisited like some of those songs, you know, from like Whole Life members and like those other singers, you know, like some Hiroyuki Sawano, whatever, Vocaloid. But I think yeah, that's it for this month. I think I just kind of get a bit used to Linux, I guess, and made the workflow just more like a programmer, really, like, you know, very cool, like, you know, that's like very cool and customized and everything, you know, that's just very neat, you know, very fit, just for myself, you know. I don't think there's much to say after this, and yeah, I don't think there's. Oh no. Let's talk about something. Let's talk about other news. Okay, I cannot forget this. Okay. just like this one or 2 weeks ago, one of this news about this company, very majestic company. This is the two thing you need to know. So it is a gamer communication system, everything, okay? And of course you have this Discord as a server, right? So most people probably don't care. I don't care, you know. So for example, maybe I put my IC, my legal name or whatever, you know, my real life picture, whatever, you know. Maybe like you are like some very very popular either idol or whatever, you know, identity, you know. You don't really care, you know, because some of it is public, some of it is not, right? But can you ever think like, did you ever think about like what can they do with this info? Like, you know, say for example, I put like, you know, a screenshot of myself in Discord with my friend in real life. Say I am like a popular star, you know, maybe in, I don't know, some community or something, maybe some DJ, okay, whatever, okay. And then I post my real life face, okay, and where I am at, okay. What could they do with this, okay, as a Discord? Let's think about this as you as the server, okay. Okay, so wait, I should make sure to maintain the screen is running, or else it may stop the recording. Okay, many things they could do. First, they could sell your data. They could tell someone, you know. So for example, normally most other people, like most normal normies, I would just simplify it as normies, okay, is probably going to link their Discord with Google, Apple ID, Apple email, Microsoft Yahoo account, whatever, Gmail, whatever, right? They don't care. They don't have time to care. They have no resource to care. They don't know how to fix. They don't know who can help them, okay? And it's very, very inconvenient, okay? Very stupid to, you know, waste much time, you know, because say you are DJ, you don't care, you don't have time to care about this, okay? But here's the problem. There's two opinions, okay? First is you don't really care other tracks you don't really care, okay? And the second is you care, okay? There's only two choices, okay? Right? You either don't care, say you either don't care that people hate you, or you care they hate you, you know? Just like just there's only two sides you can take, or there's only like a hybrid. You're just standing there, no reaction, okay? The middle, okay? You either care or you don't care, or you just totally somehow care a bit, don't care a bit, okay? Middle, okay? Very, very weird position, okay? But either way, so you link it, okay? So what could they do? They could do some very basic thing, okay? So for example, you link you as the Discord server. What would you do if you say you know this info and you need some money? What could you do? Sell it, right? You know, say for example, I know that XYZ handsome boy go to this place, okay? You give me X money, maybe 10,000 or 5,000, okay? I give you the exact location, the time, the address, the friend, right? Sure, fair deal, right? See, very fair, right? And I would say, yeah, very fair, you know. Nothing is really very wrong or right at this point, okay? It's just that you like it or you don't like it, right? You either like it or you don't like it. Oh my god, I think I should just set the time. They could sell it, right? And especially if you are like a star, you are like an idol, do you seriously feel comfortable? Like daijobu? Like okay? 可以吗? Like that, you know? Boleh kah? You know? Like I don't know, man. Seriously, like say I'm like Prime Minister, you know, Abe, you know, Trump, you know, and then they just sell this info. You know, maybe you go lovely dovey with someone, you know, and they sell this info to someone, and then When you go back, they advertise this or whatever, do whatever thing they want, you know. There's only two tech or other tech, okay, but there's like two main tech, okay. Then there's the first tech, okay. It is fair because I use their service. Sure, you know, sure, I use their server. Fair, they can do whatever they want, whatever, I don't really care. Second, oh my god, this is disgusting, I want to fix this, okay. So if you don't care and you can still accept that, then that's on your case. I kind of feel pity for you, but I cannot do anything, okay. And if you want to change, go search up privacytools.io, okay. Go search up this website, okay. Very easy, okay, very easy, not hard, okay, not hard, okay? You could just search up this site, okay, like privacy tools, okay. Privacy tools also okay. It's a very popular site, you know. You could search this, okay. Encryption against global mass surveillance, okay. Many things that are in here is very valid, okay. Some of it is some of it is good, okay, but it's at least better than what other thing, okay. But in any way, okay, the short summary is I kind of feel pity for those that still decided to use Discord. But yeah, personally I'm not going to use it much anymore. It's just become like a very tracking based thing. Of course there's still another few opinions that I probably could highlight, you know. So for example, you know, the point with ads, you know, even in YouTube and everything, is to pay the entertainment or whoever created the content, and I think that's fair, you know. For me personally, I think that's fair, you know. So for example, I watch Hololive videos, I watch like free musics from like, you know, Hiroyuki Sawano, you know, those Hatsune Miku, you know. They create free music, you know, and they use time, you know. That's hard work, you know. And if we don't pay them and they make it free, you know, it's just unfair, you know. We need to pay them with ads, you know. And I saw like there's the charts about, you know, the reason why Nico, you know, other platform, the ads is low. I think it's kind of inherited that they don't track you that much, they don't sell that much info. So there's the fair trade, you know, there's the fair trade, you know. But yeah, that is a bit painful, but it depends, you know. You need to choose it. I'm not going to force you or encourage you heavily, but this is just a few info that I noticed, you know. The Android itself is kind of okay. Honestly, for Android users, don't really need to worry much, you know. The base is definitely usable, you know. It's not going to be very harmful. Honestly, Windows itself is worse in some of the aspects, you know. Let's be honest. So to give a bit of technicality, okay, for example, in Android they will give you the random hardware ID for the network, okay. When you register or you know, connect to a Wi-Fi network, okay, it will randomize some of the ID which you don't really need to know if you are normie or whatever, okay. But in Windows it doesn't do that by default. That is means by normal, okay, or 复制呢 or 普通的, okay, or normally, okay. Yeah, they won't do that, okay. Windows don't do that, so it is directly worse, okay, from this aspect, okay. You can see it, okay. And in another aspect, Android, they control their app, okay. The app itself is controlled. So every time you use the app, right, they need to ask your permission. You see those apps, when you install a new app, if you ask you yes or no, file, camera, yes or no, you know, location, yes or no, you know. It's at least better than Windows. Totally no permission whatsoever. Wow. Of course, I remember some of those new app that Windows use their UWP platform, okay. you could search it up if you want to understand other thing. I heard that there's like a little bit of sandbox, okay, there's like permission control a little bit, but I'm not quite sure, and there's no one that can guarantee that works as good as Android, okay. So if you're using Android, it is actually okay for some of the things. Compared to Windows, it's a bit bad, okay, worse, okay. And I think that's the basic of it. I don't think there's anything. Let me think. Yeah, for the other thing, if you really want to know or improve your privacy or security, check out that privacy tools.io. You know, everything start from there. And other than that, no, not much to say. Enjoy your day, I guess. Enjoy your music, and of course, personally, I guess I should thank like all of those creators, musicians, streamers, entertainments, VTubers, even this song, Sora the Troll, he created this Matari, he say it's for free forever. I love this I love that quote. But yeah, very awesome. There's like this very cool community that I could even do this, it's very good. But all in all, enjoy your life. If you are in need, or like if you are like confused in like some aspects, especially if like you are normal people, or like you're busy, or you are not in the field of like computer or whatever, honestly, seriously, if like you're dealing with software or OS or whatever, find a programmer, okay, find a programmer that knows how to do some of those system things. They will guide you most of the other things, okay. They can guide you to a lot of fields, okay. I mean, like the programmer that doesn't do the UI design, okay. Don't find the programmer that do the UI design that's very good at doing the UI, web page, okay. Don't find those, okay. Those are specialized in doing those things, okay. There's two types, the online and the offline, okay. So you need to know, okay, if you love going offline, so maybe you love like this local app, this crappy, but yeah, as you can see, the quality is much more lower quality, but there's the benefit of that, like if you want to went down the road of privacy or security, or whatever it is, because all in all, I think honestly, I wouldn't worry about like normal, normal people, some normal random dude, but if it's like, some idol, some stars, honestly, I hope that there's like someone, that can protect them a little bit, I hope that, I really sincerely hope that there's someone that can protect these idols or whatever, to just have a higher resistance. I mean, some of the service, like those, they're not easily hacked, okay. They are not stupid also, but the thing is, they are going to do something behind your back, okay. Behind your back, okay. They are going to like the tunnel, down into the earth, the rabbit hole there, okay. And if you honestly don't mind it, then it's good, then it's good. It's your choice, and I will support you, and I will like do everything, Oh, good, you use this, okay, it's fine, But if you hate it and you're forced into using it, I just feel pitiful, But I think that's it. That's a very long rant and a good guide or whatever it is, And for app also just a very quick note. If you need like a to-do app or whatever, text, check out Markor. If you're using Android, again, it's again open source, okay. And if you need to add some feature or whatever, you can donate to the developer, or you could contact me, okay. I could develop something, make some feature for you. Seriously, don't worry. This is the power of open source app. If somebody, everyone supports it, it will just becomes better than other company apps, honestly. But all in all, enjoy your day. I think that's it. nothing more. Most of the guide you could just go back to it, you know. Some of the older things or older advice or whatever, you know, you could see, you could look at it. But a quick review is also, I don't know, like this probably may be the last one that's like this long, you know. The others are going to be more shorter in the future, because sadly I probably don't have much time anymore. Yep, signing off. See you, Jane.